Before you do anything that involves electrical, we want to make sure to disconnect the battery so nobody gets hurt. Right, there it goes. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the reservoir's two main retaining clips. Okay. Jiggle her out.
That will leak. This little clip.
So pull out that clip.
There you go.
So in order to get this reservoir out, you're going to have to unclip the windshield washer pump electrical. And it's just a standard clip right there. That'll allow you to get the whole tank out. Alright, so when we pull this up, it's going to come shooting out. There it is. Alright, the washer pump is placed in this hole right here. It does have that nub, right?
Seats into that.
And as you're inserting it in, you can rehook up the electrical to power that motor. Gently work the new reservoir into the engine cavity. Ooh, I like that. Okay, now it needs to go over that way.
My way?
Okay. Yeah, your way. Oh, there we go.
Perfect. Like a glove.
Reattach this engine coolant hose to your column. Clamp it on. If you've removed the radiator cap, replace it at this time. There we go. Good.
Keep all those particulates out of there.
Safety, only the best for this van. Replenish both washer and coolant fluids to their specified levels. And reconnect the battery. Except if I tip it upside down.
It should leak over the top. Out of the cap too. That's the,
Do you think it will?
I think that's what they do.
It does leak up.
Oh!
Well, there's the
There's the coolant.